In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the incredible variety of products and services you can explore on Amazon, one of the world's largest online marketplaces. Whether you're an avid online shopper or a newcomer, knowing the breadth of options available on Amazon can really enhance your online shopping experience. Let's start with electronics. Amazon offers an impressive selection of electronic gadgets and devices. From the latest smartphones and cutting-edge laptops to audio accessories and home automation devices, Amazon has it all. There's a wide array of brand options, whether you're looking for something premium or more budget-friendly, ensuring that you'll find the perfect device to meet your tech needs. Next up, clothing and fashion. Amazon boasts a vast collection of clothing for all styles and occasions. You can find everything from casual wear to formal attire, and not just for yourself, but for the whole family. They carry renowned brands as well as lesser-known, budget-friendly labels. So, whether you're updating your wardrobe with the latest trends or simply looking for staples like jeans and tees, Amazon's got you covered. For those passionate about home and kitchen products, Amazon is a true treasure trove. You can upgrade your living space with stylish decor, find practical kitchen gadgets that make cooking a breeze, and browse through a variety of furniture pieces to suit every style and budget. Whether you're working on a home improvement project or simply searching for a new blender, you'll discover an array of items that cater to your needs. Book lovers will find Amazon an essential stop. It's a haven for readers, offering an extensive selection of books in every genre imaginable. Whether you're into thrilling mysteries, enlightening nonfiction, or looking for a children's classic, you may either go for a traditional hardcover or explore Kindle editions for on-the-go reading. Amazon also provides recommendations and reviews to help guide your next great read. Another crucial part of Amazon's lineup is groceries and essentials. With the convenience of having a wide variety of household necessities delivered right to your door, it transforms how we approach grocery shopping. You can find fresh produce, pantry staples, cleaning supplies, and more, all available with just a few clicks. This service is particularly beneficial for those with busy schedules or anyone who prefers to avoid the hustle and bustle of shopping in-store. Then there are categories like toys and games, pet supplies, beauty, and fitness. Whether you're hunting down the latest board game sensation, looking for high-quality pet food, searching for skincare essentials, or enhancing your workout routine with the right equipment, Amazon's diverse offerings have you covered. Finally, we can't overlook the perks of Amazon Prime. It's a membership service that elevates your shopping experience, providing benefits like free and fast shipping, access to streaming services, and much more. It's a fantastic option if you're a frequent shopper looking to save on delivery costs while enjoying additional entertainment features. So, whether you're already an Amazon enthusiast or just starting out, knowing what's available can help you make the most of this expansive online marketplace. Happy shopping!